The intentions of this video is to feed your soul and belly. Here's a gem. Tap into God's gifts and be transformed. Hello, everyone. My name is Holly. I am blessed to know a thing or two. Question: shouldn't we have heaven on earth like now or like yesterday? Yeah, I think so too. We shouldn't have to wait till forever, the hereafter. We should be privy to God's gifts during our lifetime. That includes experiencing heaven on earth. Say it with me: heaven while I'm still living. Heaven while I'm still living. Heaven while I'm still living. That sounds good, doesn't it? Following the 10 Commandments creates heaven on earth. Think about it. Think about that. Following the 10 Commandments will create heaven on earth. I need you to think about that long and hard. Here's one. Let's love our neighbors like we love ourselves. You do love yourself, right? It's easy to love yourself, isn't it? If you can do that, you can love your neighbor. Did you know this? How about this? The next item is a breakfast party. It is a parfait of a sort. It has Cheerios. Almond flavor is what I use, but you could use any form of Cheerios that suits your boat, floats your boat. I put in some yogurt, blueberries, dried mangoes, and the dried mangoes makes this real chewy, and it is good. In the description, I have some other items that I put into my breakfast party, but you can put in whatever your heart's content. Bring it to the party. Last but not least, I want to say Happy New Year. It is the year 2025. Everyone, God bless you. God bless your family. Take care. Until next time. Bye-bye.